Hi everybody, it's Claire. Thanks so much for stopping by. Today I have another hair tutorial for you guys, and it's gonna be a high ponytail that I've been wearing a lot recently and you guys really seem to like when you see it on my Instagram, so I wanna show it to you guys today. It looks really elegant, but it's not a lot of work. So right now I just wanna brush out my hair first. I washed it in the shower and then I just blow dried it really quickly. I actually really like when my hair is kind of like wild in the beginning for this because it just adds a lot of texture, and I want the ponytail to have like a nice fullness to it. And then what I do is go ahead and have a clipless curling iron heating up. So I have the Sado Revolution Pro clipless curling iron. This is my favorite. I've had it for years. I don't like to spend a ton of time using hot tools. Like, if you guys know me, I do not like to sit there and do my hair for longer than 10 minutes. What I'm gonna do right now first is just not even section off my hair in the middle like most people do. What I'm gonna do is just take about medium to large sections of hair, put the wand down, and go away from my face. Now I know you guys know how to do this. I just want to show you that you don't have to like spend a ton of time to get a really polished looking curls in your hair, or just having your hair look tidy. Again, my hair is pretty like fluffy right now, so I just want to do this to add some nice movement. I hold it for like 8 seconds. I'm doing this just so that my ponytail will have a nice movement to it. So I'm gonna get through the whole head pretty fast here because I'm taking such large chunks. I'm not starting the hair of the curl towards the top of my head. I'm going kind of like halfway and down, as you can see. I'm gonna show you guys why in a second. So again, leave it 8 to 10 seconds. So this is just going to quickly start creating just something so it's not just like so fluffy and frizzy kind of. I just really like this. So again, I'm just like kind of just doing the ear down. This stuff gets pretty hot, so you do want to be careful when you're doing this. Don't fly through it. This part I feel like is really boring. I might speed it up, but you guys get the point. I'm taking really large sections. It's probably gonna take only 7 sections to curl total. Okay, see, so that took like 3.5 minutes, not even, and you have like some movement. It just looks a little bit better than how we started here. I'm gonna set this aside somewhere. I have you guys sitting on top of 2 board games right now, Trivial Pursuit and Small World. So now you need a hair elastic ready. Now I'm gonna put my hair up into a ponytail right about here. I think that looks really nice. Make sure you don't have any bumps. I like to have the sides be smooth, then a little bit of volume on the top. Gonna secure that hair tie. Okay, so now you have your ponytail in place. I'm gonna give it a little bit of a squeeze, and I'm gonna look at the ponytail and see what needs a little assistance. So I can see a piece here that I'm not loving. I'm gonna bring that forward, and with my clipless curling iron, what I'm gonna do is just retouch that up really quick. And this is a smaller piece, so you don't have to leave it in very long at all. Let that go. I'm gonna take this piece, just touch it up. Any piece that's just kind of looking a little frayed a little bit, or it's just like maybe I missed it in the bottom half, you might have a few of those pieces. So if we didn't add those curls initially, it just would have looked like a big fluffy ponytail. I think it just makes it look like it's a really pretty kind of more elegant style. And if it's a little too curly, you can just brush your hands through it. You don't want it to look like perfect curls. You want it to just have like a nice soft movement to it. So now what I do that I love is Cebu Sashini hair thermal, like it's almost like an oil spray. And what I do to give my hair a lot of shine and give it a little bit of smoothness is I spray right on the sides of my hair here, and then I use my fingernail to brush back any of those little baby hairs, and it also just again gives like a really healthy shine. You guys sometimes see me do this with hairspray, but I really like this oil for this step because hairspray can look a little harsh. I don't want it to be like really tight. I just want it to have that really soft, nice shine to it for this particular look. And if you do have any flyaways on the top, you can use this. You can even use this in the ponytail to kind of give the ponytail a little more movement and softening any sort of frizz area. I love putting it through the ponytail because it kind of just cuts down the size of the ponytail. And this is just like a super easy way to get a ponytail that looks really put together in a really short amount of time. I just absolutely love it. It's a go-to for me, especially when I'm going to work and I need a hairstyle fast, but I don't want to spend a lot of time in the mirror. So let me know what you guys think. If you'd wear this high ponytail that looks a lot more like you've tried a lot harder than you actually did, please let me know in the comment section. I love making videos for you guys on how to look and feel your best to get you on your way. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Make sure you give it a thumbs up if you did, and I look forward to seeing you all in the next video. Take care. Bye.